patients want to talk to somebody quickly and get their answers quickly, or talk to a human being in person in particular. A lot of times what we have noticed is that the patients will pick up the phone and try and call the provider that they're actually established with. And they get impatient or they get disheartened because they've called multiple times, nobody's answering the phones, they can't get through, and they all of a sudden switch to a different practice. Where we come in play is we actually touch that patient, we talk to the patient, okay, we get their information. And this way the patients are actually satisfied that they've spoken to somebody in the office. We make sure that when we send a message, if there's an urgency to that message, that they are responded to in a timely manner. We can create messages to the medical staff office that, hey, this patient needs to be spoken to sooner than later, or this is not an emergency, or etc. What that has shown is once you take care of the patient, they're more inclined to come to your practice and switch over, which has, of course, opened the doors to more patients coming through, more revenue coming through, and much happier patients because they have actually been cared for. What we tell our clients, let us handle those phone calls for you, okay? Let your staff take care of the patients who are there physically in the office. You take care of the patients. We'll take care of the redundancy of the phone calls. Historically, what we've noticed with all the clients that we brought on over the past few years is the phone call volume in the office kind of starts tapering off slowly, and the staff becomes happier. We can always take those messages and relay them to the medical assistants and the medical staff, and they can answer at their capacity when they have time to breathe. And this has really helped bring down the anxiety in the offices. It has helped in retention of staff. Staff is much happier that they're not consistently glued to the phones. And the environment of the offices have changed where the staff is much happier at work.